So leave the video for 5 minutes. Alright. By the way, I just started recording like 4 seconds ago. Alright guys. Today there's a lot of noise. Dum dum. Ah, bro, why are you even spitting in my eye? How much minutes has it been? Oh, 1 minute and 40 seconds. That is 4 more minutes. You get to play without it. Can I get two of them? I think that's enough noise. Let's get out of here. 2 minutes and 22 seconds. So yeah guys, today's my party. Birthday party plus loud noise. Yeah, that's gonna be the title. As you guys can all plainly see here. And then I forgot to say, yeah. Birthday party plus loud noise. Yeah. Birthday party plus loud noises, I mean guys. Sorry. Go, 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 go. Matthew! We got 1 more minute, buddy. No, we got 3 minutes. Matthew, it's been 3 minutes and 32 seconds. No counting, guys, that's annoying. Say like November. 5 minutes you guys to play now. Hit it. Aisa, Natalia, it's Aisa's turn. I haven't hit it yet. You have it. Give her a chance. Give her a chance. You're doing good. That's how we play. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Talia, go. I tell you this. That's the stick. Hold on. We're gonna get a little. Aisha, how about? Hold on. No, we're not done. I'm just looking for the thing so my sister stop from crying. Hopefully. Guys, that's enough.